Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Top Paradise Construction Limited. As you can see, we built wall up for the extension. That's our quality of the brickwork. And I will show you the front. So that's extension wall is up. So that's the side anyway. Neat and clean. Today is a concrete guy coming from pouring the concrete for the floor. So that's the floor ready for the concrete. Walls up. In the next video you see the concrete is on the place and we installing the steel beam on the wall on there to there. So we're try to making open plan, and the kitchen coming on this side, and we're making one bedroom here, the utility space is there, and the bathroom is in there as well. So next two I'll show you the more videos and the more update for this side. We're making the roof structure sooner. Firstly, we place the steel in the middle of the house with the post. For the next more videos, just keep viewing our channel on Top Paradise Construction Limited. Please like and subscribe my channel for more video and update. Thank you very much.